What?
I'm cutting his hair.
No, you're not.
Yes.
He's not, you're not cutting his hair.
He wants me to.
No, we're getting your hair professionally cut. We are not cutting his hair.
He wants me to.
No, now go. End of story, out of this room, you're not cutting his hair. Go. And if I even as little as hear a buzz, so help me God, no. Now, out, boys, out. Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view my FOXY eyeshadow tutorial, the non-surgical eye lift makeup, the eyeshadow that you guys have been noticing that I've been wearing lately, where it's really flared out and it really shapes your eyes so beautifully, where it does look like your eyes are lifted, which you obviously don't need to have surgery for it because of the power of makeup. Makeup is a very powerful thing to have, and when you learn certain techniques, it can really work to your advantage. I actually recently filmed this video and it didn't turn out that well. It was actually my first time trying FOXY eye makeup, which I did title it as such, but it just turned out like a hot dumpster fire, and I thought now that I perfected my technique a little bit that I would actually refilm it and do a tutorial this way. This is part 2 of a little makeup hack little video that I did. I did a video showing you how to get a flawless makeup base. It's kind of a TikTok hack kind of video, except for it's something that you should definitely try and not avoid, so definitely check out part 1. This is part 2, so we're going to be focusing on the eyes today, but if you are curious about the flawless makeup base, definitely go check that video out. I'll have it linked down below, but let's go ahead and get into the eyeshadow. Of course, as you can tell, we're going to be using the Life's Drag palette from MANNY MUAS. Love this palette. I've already used it. We got it in Boxycharm, and I'm obsessed. Obsessed. So we're going to use this today, but one important factor of FOXY makeup is actually your eyebrows, and fun fact, I actually shaved the very ends of my eyebrows off. You can't really tell, but they were a little bit longer because you want to flare them out for the effect of the, you know, really favoomp lash experience of an eye lift. You want to lift it up. You got to manipulate your brows. I could not fully commit to shaving them halfway off, so we're going to finagle a little something, a little something. But anyways, before we get started in this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I have noticed half of my viewers, literally over half of my viewers, aren't even subscribed to me, and that hurts. So if you're already watching, go ahead and subscribe. Turn that red button gray. Put a smile on my face. It will definitely mean the world to me. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so we're going to manipulate the brows. So first, we're just going to flick the brows up, brush them babies out. Chili cheese tater tots. And then what we're going to want to do, which I'm using the color Pop Brow Boss in the shade Blonde right now, we're going to manipulate these suckers and make them go, instead of down, we're going to try and make them go this way the best we can. I'm not like good at brows, so it's probably just going to wind up being awful, but we're going to try. See how it's more out than it would be curved in? It's kind of what we want to go for. Normally we would start here and kind of like break that up, but I don't want to shave that bit of my eyebrows off because, well, I'm not good with eyebrows. I don't know how to color them back in and make them look good, so finagled it as much as we can for now. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's honest work, okay? It's honest work. Do another little brushing. Now I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. It actually kind of sucks, but, you know, if you guys have any brow gel recommendations for me, definitely let me know. We're just going to flick the brows up. We want them to be shaped up. That's what we want. I feel like we might need a little bit more color over here. So I'm gonna wait for the gel to dry and then I'm gonna add a little bit more color over there. that's just what it's gonna be. Now I'm gonna take the Lorac behind the scenes eye primer and just apply that to my lids. That was definitely way too much. Are you guys ready for the fun part? Let's open up this baby right here. Let's get it going. Somebody here? No, that's just a four-wheeler. Okay, so I'm going to take the shade Sickening. I'm just gonna apply it on my Jaclyn Hill JH32 brush. Dab. And I'm going to apply it here in my outer corner and just really go up with it. Oh my god, you can see the outline of that eye primer. I need to stop using it. I keep forgetting that that eye primer kind of sucks. Look at that. Sickening. We're gonna take it and we're gonna go in the crease with this shade. Really blend it. Fancy. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M321, which is actually one of my favorite Morphe brushes because it's perfect for the scaredy cats like me who want a tiny little brush to do everything with. Anyways, I'm going to take Sickening some more. Let me show you. And then I'm going to just kind of create a line underneath my eye and connect it to my FOXY wing that we're going with. Now we're going to take the shade Hunty on that same brush and we're going to kind of darken up this outer corner right here. And then taking the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH32 again and just kind of blending. Focus. Focus. I'm actually going to take Sickening and add it all over my lid now because I decided I was gonna go for something kind of shimmery. I was gonna use this shimmer shade Beat, but I decided I'm gonna go with all matte for this look. So I'm just gonna add Sickening all over my lid. I have some like clumpy eye primer right here. I should not have used that. That eye primer really sucks. It like dries chunky and I don't know why, so my bad for that. Now I'm gonna take this dark brown shade in the shade Mug and start to create kind of like a wing. I'm just going to blend that out. Great, okay. Now, taking the shade Shady, we're gonna create an actual wing with this shade. Shady, the shade Shady. I'm just taking this angled brush. This is from Morphe, but you can use like any angled brush like this. Oh, I don't know why it's so blurry. I'm so sorry. And then taking this Morphe M21 brush one more time, I'm going to kind of blend this a little bit and not make it as like a harsh wing. My eye is watering, hold on. Now I'm going to take the Tarteist Tarte liner in black, the double take eyeliner you might have gotten in your Boxycharm. This one's actually mine. Or not Boxycharm, you got in your IPSY box. This one's mine. I actually gave the other one away in a giveaway. So I'm going to take the pencil side and line my lower lash line. Just a very thin layer, very thin, because we don't want the focus to be so dark under here because we're going to do something really fun in the outer corner. Taking the liquid side, that's not the liquid side, taking the liquid side, we're going to create a line. You can either kind of wing your liner out with this, but since we have the dark shadow there, I'm not going to worry with it. Plus, I suck at winging my liner, so we're not going to do it. We're just going to do an old-fashioned wing. Not a wing, a line. We're gonna do a line. We're gonna do a line. Now we're gonna do something really fun. You guys ready? We're gonna do a wing on the inner corner, okay? Okay, so that wasn't very good, but you see that you can get the idea. Bam, you see how it gives you that almond shape? All of a sudden you have a transformed eye, okay? We have an almond eyeball, a Jordan almond, which are very hard, and we have a very hard look, like a fox. Because, you know, what does the fox say? Meow, 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 meow. My college professor kept playing that song one time during class. Very, very weird. Anyways, we are almost done with the makeup eyeshadow look. We're gonna take the D-Star lashes in Jacqueline and we're going to apply some lashes. I've been using the heck out of these. They're so pretty. But first, I'm going to take some of my Winky Luxe mascara and apply it to my lashes. Now taking my Duo eyelash adhesive, I'm going to put some on a Q-tip and line my lashes. Okay, now it's time to stick them on. I'm gonna let them dry. And in the meantime, I'm going to put the mascara on my lower lashes while we're waiting for these to dry. Fantastic, so we've created our first fox eye over here. I think it looks really freaking on bomb.com and it really just lifts the lash up. Now, could you imagine if this brow was just up a little bit more? It would really lift up your eyeball to a new dimension that you might meet an alien. I'm just saying. So I'm gonna quickly finish this eyeball off of camera and I will show you the finished look. Yeah, here is the finished look. Do you like it? 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 This is the Fox Eye non-surgical eye look. Oh my god, see, I have perfected it so good. Like, follow it. Let me know if you follow it. Ooh, this one's like not as thick as this one, but that's okay. And if you have blue eyes like me, or even green, this will make your eyes pop, okay? I don't know about brown. I've never, like, obviously I don't have brown eyes, so I don't know how to make brown eyes pop, but blue eyes, pop-alicious, like, You're so welcome for this tutorial, you guys. Definitely try it out. It's so fast and so easy because it's only like a few colors, and then you just flip it up. You just go up and you have Foxy Eye Lift Eyes. Like, you got me lifted. You got me lifted. Feeling so gifted. Foxy Eyes got me feeling fly. Foxy Eyes got me feeling fly. Did we like that song? Did we like that song? Okay, so this is it. This is the eye look. Go check out part 2 for this flawless foundation face. And don't forget to check out my ghost stories and all of that jazz. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me. So much. Subscribe. Anyways, that is it for this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Let me know how I did down below. Bye!